Plants are living organisms much like animals. There are many things they need to survive. Plants have a certain structure. Plants have ways to meet their needs. Some plants are similar and others are different. Most plants have a body made of leaves, one or more stems, and roots. This picture shows the leaves, stem, and roots of a young plant. The plant needs all three parts in order to stay alive. A leaf is the part of a plant that makes food for the whole plant. Leaves also take in sunlight and have tiny openings through which plants breathe in air. A plant's stem moves water and nutrients from the roots to the leaves. It moves food from the leaves to the rest of the plant. The stem also holds up the leaves, flowers, and fruit. A plant's roots usually grow underground. They take in water and nutrients from the soil. They also hold the plant in the ground. The roots of some plants store some of the food that the leaves make. How do plants stay alive? Plants need water and nutrients to stay alive. When plants are watered, the nutrients from the minerals from the water provide food for the plants. Plants also get their nutrients from soil and air. There are minerals in soil. These minerals are important nutrients for healthy plants to grow. Plants also use sunlight, air, and water to make their own food. We call this photosynthesis. Plants have a certain structure. Plants use leaves and roots to take in things they need such as light, air, and water. Most plants have roots that secure them to the ground. They cannot move around like you or I or animals. Plants have structures to make new organisms or reproduce. They have parts that give off liquids and gases, and they have structures that allow them to grow.